What's happening, YouTube? I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's my first unboxing video, and I've been waiting for this hat for a very long time. So, as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. This was from a trade from someone in Canada, so it took a while, but here it is. So, well, let's open this up. See what we got. Alright, so I opened it upside down, and here it is. Nicely packaged. Let's see if there's... okay. So here it is. As you can see, it's black. Green underbrim. Let's check it out. Here it is. Wow, this is amazing right here. This is definitely my #1 hat. This is a grail, that's for sure. This is a John Elway Sports Specialties player script. Got the 7 right here. Man, this is nice. This is just perfect. Let's see the inside tags here. Sports Specialties. Pro. There you go, you have Youngin. Sweatband is really clean. This thing is fantastic. Oh man. This is definitely one of the hats I've been looking for so long. And I don't know, man, it's been like almost 2 months waiting for this hat, but it's definitely worth the wait. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I have. So thanks for watching. Till next time.